All right, this is it. The big one. We could also see New Zealand history being broken. The two young men at the base of the tower on the blue track from Cust, South Island, Ed Jackman, the current New Zealand champion. On the red track representing the mighty, mighty Southbridge, Stephen Moore. Both of these firefighters have individually broken the New Zealand record this year. They now go head to head. The New Zealand individual record was held by Hayden Kinsit from Whenuapai at 1 minute 45 for nearly 3 years. 2 months ago, Stephen Moore broke that record with a 1:42 at Alice Springs. 4 weeks ago, Ed Jackman of Cust broke Steve's record with a 1:41. Both of these firefighters already in the Lion's Den competing at the Worlds.
Go, Edward!
Stephen Moore of Southbridge slalom course in under 1 minute. Ed Jackman on the blue. Pushing.